watch Miss Acton solve this equation about arrays or solve this problem about arrays, and then you're going to do the same thing with the exact same story, except your numbers of rows and how many are in your rows are going to change. Okay, so our question says Lily puts Dory into 3 rows. You just saw that rows go side to side. So that means that we're going to have 3 side-to-side rows. So what I'm going to do is with a tool to draw with, which is what you're going to do here in a second, is I'm going to draw 3 lines to represent my 3 rows. So Lily puts Dory into 3 rows. Got that done. Each row has 5 Dories. That means row 1, row 2, and row 3 all need 5 Dories. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now remember, when you're making your second row, try your best to make sure that the Dories or the circles are lined up with each other. So those circles are representing our Dories, because it would be really hard for Miss Atkins to sit here and draw all these into a Dory. And then it says draw the picture of this array. We're done. We drew a picture of this array. So we did a good job. Now, don't forget, if maybe our equation looks something like this, because sometimes it doesn't say to put your objects in rows. Sometimes it'll tell you to put your objects in, what's that other word? Yeah, columns. Let's see if I can fit that up there. Sometimes it tells you to put it into columns. So if we were doing 3 columns, gotta change that one too. And that means we would have 1, 2, 3 columns, because columns go up and down. And then we would put 5 in each column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make sure they're nice and lined up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we have our array. So we kind of just took our 3 rows with 5 in them and kind of just turned them the other way, made them go up and down. So the same amount of Dories, we just moved them from being in 3 rows to 3 columns. So now you get a chance to try it.